Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I brought chickpea salad, like chana chaat, you can also say that. And this is like one of the tastiest dish Pakistani people love to eat. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I have taken a small onion and I'm going to chop it into smaller pieces. You can just follow the same process like I'm doing it. Once you're done with cutting the onion, then we will move towards taking out the coriander leaves. Now I'm going to cut, or you can say the chop coriander leaves. I'm going to chop these coriander leaves with the help of a knife, and once it's done, then we will take another thing, another vegetable. Like this is all we just need. We just need a lot of chopping in it. With that, I've taken some mint and I'm going to chop it as well. I've taken the mint leaves, the fresh mint leaves, and I'm going to chop it with the help of a knife again. So you just follow the same process. Now, once all the leaves are chopped well, we will move towards the next part. Now, moving towards the next part, that's gonna be chilies. I've taken a red chili and a green chili. Now, I am going to chop these chilies, and we have to be quite careful while cutting with the help of a knife. Now, once I'm going to cut these chilies, then we will move towards like the next part, and that's gonna be tomatoes. So for chilies, you can add spices according to your taste. If you like more chilies, you can add more chilies. If you like less chilies, you can add less chilies. It's really up to you. And some people love to eat more spices, and some people do not eat that much of spices. So it's really up to you. Now I'm cutting the red chili, and once it's done, we will move towards the next part. So, yep, we have done with the chilies, and now I've taken a tomato and I'm going to cut it into a half, and then I'm going to place the other half aside. Now I'm going to chop the half tomato, and the other tomato would be used in another recipe. So I'm going to cut this half tomato and I'm going to use in this recipe of chickpeas, or you can say chana chaat, chickpea salad. Once you're going to cut this, then we will move towards the next part. Now you can see the tomato is done. Now I'm going to take boiled chickpeas. I'm going to place into a plate. I'm going to do the assembling part. Now I'm going to add some onions in it, which I've cut before, or you can say chopped before, and I'm going to add all these. With that, I'm going to add these chilies, which I've cut before as well, or you can say chopped before. And with that, I'm taking coriander. You can skip any of these if you do not want to add any of these. With that, I'm gonna add mint. Now after adding mint, I will add some of the tomatoes which I've cut before, and you can add the amount of these tomatoes, or you can say the onions if you want to. With that, I'm taking one boiled potato. I have chopped it into cubes, and I'm going to add the spices. I'm adding chaat masala, about 1 teaspoon, and this tastes really good. With that, I'm going to add some salt. You can add it according to your taste. I'm taking half teaspoon, and with that, I'm taking turmeric pulp. And now we will mix all this. So we're going to mix all these quite well so that all the ingredients are mixed well, and our recipe is about to be ready and served and ready to be eaten. So you can try this recipe at home, and it's really good for those who are on a diet, and this is like really delicious. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know whether you like this video or not. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family. And if you have any query related to any video, just comment down in the comment section, and I would be rather happy to answer you on the first go. And do subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.